Are you ready to take your Clash of Clans gameplay to the big screen? Let me show you how to easily play Clash of Clans on your PC. First, open your browser and search for Clash of Clans. Click on the first link that appears, which says Clash of Clans Download and Play on PC. Once you're on the page, look for the Install on Windows button and click it. Choose your preferred location to save the setup file and then hit the Install button. After the setup is downloaded and installed, you'll see the Google Play Games beta program on your desktop. Double-click to open it. Now, sign in using your Google account. Follow the prompts, click on Accept, and then click Finish to complete the setup. Inside the Google Play Games beta interface, you'll see the Clash of Clans icon. Click on it and hit the Install button. The game will start downloading and installing automatically. Once the installation is complete, click Play, and just like that, you're all set to enjoy Clash of Clans on your PC. That's all it takes. Your favorite mobile game is now available on your PC for an enhanced gaming experience. Happy clashing!